and welcome to Spoken English Daily. We're very happy you're here today. This is a calm place to listen and practice English, one day at a time.
Yes, welcome. This is the podcast where you learn English by listening. You can relax, you can listen, and you can learn naturally.
Before we begin, if you enjoy learning English with us, please like this episode and subscribe to Spoken English Daily. It helps us, and it helps other learners find the podcast too.
Thank you for being here.
So let's begin.
How is your day today, Emma?
My day is good. Thank you for asking, Daniel.
That's nice to hear.
How about you? How is your day?
My day's going well. I had a normal morning. I woke up, had breakfast, and started my day.
That sounds like a good day.
Yes, nothing special, but it's a good day.
Sometimes a normal day is a good day.
I agree.
So tell me, Daniel, what did you do today?
Today, I worked in the morning. Then I had lunch, and after that, I went for a short walk.
That sounds nice.
Yes, I like walking. It helps me relax.
I like walking too. I usually walk in the evening after dinner.
That's a good time to walk.
Yes, it's quiet and the air feels nice.
What else do you like to do during the day, Emma?
I like reading. I read in the evening before I go to sleep.
That sounds relaxing.
It is.
What about you, Daniel? What do you like to do?
I like listening to music. I listen to music when I work or when I relax.
What kind of music do you like?
I like calm music. Nothing too loud.
I understand. I enjoy quiet music too.
It helps the day feel slower.
Yes, and calmer.
Now let's listen again, but this time a little more slowly.
How is your day today?
My day is good. Thank you for asking.
What did you do today?
I worked in the morning, I had lunch, I went for a walk.
What do you like to do?
I like walking. I like listening to music. I like reading.
Now let's listen and repeat.
How is your day today? How is your day today?
My day is good. My day is good.
Thank you for asking. Thank you for asking.
What did you do today? What did you do today?
I worked in the morning. I worked in the morning.
I had lunch. I had lunch.
I went for a walk. I went for a walk.
I like walking. I like walking.
I like reading. I like reading.
I like listening to music. I like listening to music.
Very good.
Now just a few useful phrases to remember. You can say, my day is good, or my day is going well.
You can say, I like walking, I like reading, and I like listening to music.
These are simple sentences. You can use them every day.
You can use them at work, at home, or when talking to friends.
Now let's hear the conversation one last time.
How is your day today?
My day is good. Thank you for asking. How about you?
My day is going well. I worked in the morning and went for a walk later.
That sounds nice.
Yes, I like walking.
I like walking too, and I enjoy reading in the evening.
That sounds relaxing.
It is.
I like talking about daily routines like this. It makes English feel easier.
Yes, I agree. Talking about simple things helps you feel more comfortable.
Emma, do you usually have a busy day or a calm day?
Most days are calm. I work, I eat, and I relax in the evening. I like days that are not too busy.
That sounds nice. Busy days can feel stressful sometimes.
Yes, especially when you have many things to do and not much time.
What do you usually do in the morning, Daniel?
In the morning, I wake up, get ready, and eat breakfast. I usually drink coffee and check my phone.
I do that too. I like slow mornings.
Me too. A slow morning helps the whole day feel better.
Do you like mornings or evenings more?
I like evenings more. Evenings feel quieter.
I agree. Evenings are a good time to relax.
What do you usually do in the evening?
In the evening, I eat dinner, watch something on television, or read. Sometimes I listen to music.
That sounds very relaxing.
Yes, it helps me rest after the day.
Do you like staying at home or do you like going out?
I like staying at home most of the time. I enjoy quiet places.
I'm the same way. Home feels comfortable.
What about weekends? Are your weekends different from your weekdays?
Yes, weekends are different. I wake up later and don't rush.
That's nice. I like slow weekends too.
On weekends, I usually go for longer walks.
Where do you like to walk?
I like walking in the park or around my neighborhood.
That sounds pleasant.
Yes, it helps me clear my mind. Emma, do you check the weather every day?
Yes. I usually check the weather in the morning.
Me too. The weather can change my plans. If it's nice outside, I like to go for a walk.
Same here. Good weather makes the day better.
What do you do when the weather is bad?
When the weather is bad, I stay inside and relax more.
I do that too. It's a good time to read or watch something.
Do you plan your day ahead of time?
Sometimes. Other times, I just see how the day goes.
I like that approach. It feels less stressful.
Yes, not every day needs a plan.
That's true.
Now let's practice a few more simple sentences together.
You can say, my day was busy.
You can also say, my day was calm.
You can say, I worked today.
Or, I stayed home today.
These sentences are easy to use.
You can use them when talking to friends or coworkers.
You can also use them when practicing English by yourself.
Now let's say a few sentences again, slowly and clearly.
My day was good.
My day was calm.
I worked today.
I went for a walk.
I relaxed in the evening.
Very nice.
Now, let's hear a short conversation one more time.
How was your day today?
My day was good. I worked and relaxed.
That sounds nice.
Yes, it was a good day. And I think that wraps up this episode. Thank you for listening today.
If you'd like to practice more, you can listen again. Repetition helps you feel confident.
We're happy you're here. See you next time on Spoken English Daily.